welcome to Craft Alotl. My name is Abby and today we're going to make a creeper, a Minecraft creeper. So I have a picture of it in here. So we're going to make the head. I'm going to plug in my 3D pen and then we're going to hold this in for 2 seconds and wait for the light to turn green. Meanwhile, let's choose the color for our creeper. Let's use this green and then some black. So we're going to use this for the color of our creeper. So now let's wait for the light to turn green like the creeper. There. Now it's turned green. So we should get started on the main body. So now the light's green, we can put the green filament in here. And then we're going to wait for the filament to go all the way through to the tip. The tip is hot, so you shouldn't touch it. And I've made this cute little axolotl for my sister. Okay, now the filament is coming, so we can make something cute while we wait for the green to come. Okay, now the green is here, so let's make a big box. Okay, now let's fill it in. You can even make this with your own 3D pen if you want. If you have your own 3D pen at home, you can make everything we're gonna make in our next videos. Let's carry on with our triangle again. It's okay, there's more here. It just broke apart. Now it got stuck here, so let's just cut that right off. Okay, let's carry on. We can just press it because it's not that hot. So we can just get it to spread. And then we cover this up. Because we want this to look like it was 3D pen made. Okay, now we're done with the green, but we still need to fill up some gaps. Now we just press this arrow so it comes out. And then we should use the black because that's what the creeper face looks like in my book. Now, like we did with the blue and green, we can make another cute one. I guess this time it didn't work. Okay, now that we've got the black, we can start. Square eyes. And then this flat. Okay, now we have one eye of the creeper. Let's make the other eye.
Just floating in my own low-key world, watching all the lazy currents swirl. Got that axolotl love.
The creeper has a nose and then it goes down. So let's keep it like that. There. The nose is kind of connected. The nose is kind of connected with the eyes, so we should make the nose somewhere here. Now we should make another thing going here, all the way down, and then another one here, going all the way down. And then we can flatten it down. And then let's fill this one in. Now let's flatten this last thing. Now this kind of looks like the creep. This is our creeper. And you can hang it wherever, and you can put it wherever you want. Maybe you can add a little thing there and you can make it a keychain. You can do whatever you want with it. Thank you for watching. Bye!